Kicking off our list is the innovative replaceable tip chisel from Ox Tools, a complete game changer for any serious woodworking workflow. Instead of wasting precious time at the sharpening stone, this tool lets you simply swap out a dull edge for a razor-sharp new one in seconds. The solid core and heavy-duty strike cap ensure it can handle the toughest mallets without transferring damaging shock to the cutting mechanism. It features a highly ergonomic, non-slip grip that keeps your hand incredibly comfortable and secure during extended mortising or paring sessions. If you hate pausing your projects to hone your blades, this incredible time saver is an absolute must-have for your tool belt. Next up is the massive Rockler ProMax Ultracast Iron Router Table, featuring a completely integrated Pro Lift that eliminates the need for a separate insert plate. This brilliant design provides a seamless work surface measuring 24 by 32 inches, crafted from solid cast iron that is 1 3/4 inches thick. All of your bit height adjustments are cleverly made from the side using a dual-speed gearbox, keeping the tabletop completely clear of interfering dials. It also utilizes a convenient push-button snap lock system, allowing you to easily swap between the 5 included insert rings. With its built-in universal T-track and standard miter slot, this heavy-duty upgrade offers the ultimate precision and convenience for your advanced routing needs. Meet the FastCap Tri-Trimmer, the ultimate edge trimmer designed for precise, smooth cuts on all your wood edges. Its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, making trimming fast and effortless. Whether you're working on hardwood, plywood, or veneers, this tool delivers clean, professional results every time. No more sanding down rough edges or uneven surfaces. This tool handles it in seconds. Plus, its durable blade lasts long and can be easily replaced. If you want crisp edges without the fuss, the Tri-Trimmer is your go-to. This small but mighty gadget saves you time and gives your projects that polished finish. If you're tired of guesswork when marking tricky angles, the Saker multifunction scribing tool is here to transform your workflow. This versatile tool lets you replicate exact shapes and contours for perfect fits on cabinets, flooring, and trim. It's lightweight and compact but packs a punch in accuracy. You can mark inside and outside curves with ease and transfer measurements quickly without fiddling with multiple tools. Designed for both beginners and pros, the Saker scribing tool ensures every cut is precise. No more wasted wood or awkward gaps. This is craftsmanship made simple and smart. Precision is king in woodworking, and the SawSet Pro Protractor brings that precision to your miter saw setup like never before. With its clear digital display and durable construction, it quickly measures angles for flawless cuts. This protractor reduces guesswork, letting you dial in bevel and miter angles within seconds. Forget trial and error. Just set, cut, and get it right the first time. It's compact enough to take anywhere but tough enough for the workshop grind. Whether you're framing or trim carpentry, the SawSet Pro guarantees your angles stay sharp and your joints tight. Clamp down with the Bessie Portable Mini Vise Clamp S10, a powerhouse in a pocket-sized package. This mini vise is perfect for holding small workpieces steady during intricate tasks like sanding, filing, or gluing. Despite its small size, it grips firmly without slipping or damaging your work. Its lightweight design makes it easy to bring along to any job site or fit into tight spaces. With quick release and smooth operation, it speeds up your workflow, leaving both hands free to focus on precision. When you need firm, reliable clamping on the go, Bessie's Mini Vise is the tool you want. The ProFit Multipurpose XL is a must-have for any woodworker tackling holes and openings in wood, drywall, or plastic. This versatile hole saw cuts clean, precise holes in a snap, making it perfect for installing pipes, cables, or lighting fixtures. Its XL size covers a wide range of applications, and the sharp teeth ensure a smooth cut with minimal effort. The robust construction means it holds up against tough materials without dulling quickly. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, this tool will save you time and frustration with its easy, precise cutting power. When perfect marking is non-negotiable, the U-Scribe jig steps in as a reliable partner. This ingenious jig helps you scribe perfect lines parallel to any edge or surface, making layout work a breeze. No more eyeballing or complicated measurements. Just set it and scribe with confidence. Its sturdy build means it won't slip during use, and the clear scale provides accurate readings every time. Ideal for joinery, cabinetry, and furniture making, the U-Scribe jig takes the guesswork out of marking, turning tricky measurements into simple, repeatable tasks for flawless results. The Greenworks 8V rotary tool packs versatile power into a compact, cordless design that every woodworker will appreciate. From cutting and sanding to grinding and polishing, this tool handles a wide range of detail tasks with ease. Its lightweight body reduces fatigue during long projects, and the cordless freedom means you're not tethered to an outlet. Variable speed control lets you dial in the perfect RPM for delicate or heavy-duty work. Whether you're shaping edges, carving, or drilling, this rotary tool adds precision and convenience to your toolkit. For perfect 45-degree cuts that fit like a glove, the 45-degree angle marker is an essential addition to your shop. This handy tool ensures you mark perfect miters on boards quickly and accurately, speeding up your workflow. It's lightweight but built tough, with a clear scale and easy-to-read markings that eliminate guesswork. Perfect for picture frames, moldings, and trim work, this marker is all about precision and repeatability. It's simple, effective, and designed to help you get those clean, sharp angles every time with zero hassle. The RotoSaw Plus is the ultimate handheld cutting tool designed for ultimate precision and portability. Whether you're working on framing, flooring, or trim, this saw delivers clean cuts with minimal effort. Its compact design lets you maneuver in tight spots where bigger saws can't reach. The powerful motor and sharp blade slice through wood, plastic, and drywall quickly, reducing your workload. Plus, it features ergonomic grips that reduce fatigue, keeping you comfortable throughout the day. When accuracy and convenience matter, the RotoSaw Plus is your perfect cutting companion. Keep your workshop neat and your spray paint cans organized with Saker spray paint racks. These racks are designed to hold your paint securely, offering easy access and preventing spills or clutter. They can be wall-mounted or placed on a workbench, saving valuable space. The sturdy construction handles multiple cans of various sizes, while the open design helps cans dry between coats. Whether you're painting furniture or finishing cabinets, these racks make your spray paint workflow smoother and your workspace cleaner. A simple but smart upgrade. Cut down on dust mess and protect your shop vacuum with the Dust Deputy Anti-Static Cyclone Separator. This powerful gadget spins dust and debris out of the airflow before it reaches your vacuum, keeping filters clean and suction strong. Its anti-static design stops dust cling and keeps your shop healthier. Easy to set up and compatible with most vacuums, the Dust Deputy saves you time on cleanup and prolongs the life of your equipment. If you want a cleaner, safer workspace, this separator is a game changer. Meet the Lie Tool, 14-inch miter saw protractor, a multifunctional angle finder that makes measuring bevels and miters a breeze. This all-in-one tool combines a protractor, compass, level, and ruler to handle all your angle and layout needs. Its large, easy-to-read dial and durable build help you get accurate cuts quickly without second-guessing. Perfect for woodworking, framing, and DIY projects, this protractor is your reliable partner for precise setup and perfect cuts every time. Plus, it's a thoughtful gift for any woodworker who loves accuracy and speed. Upgrade your Festool router with the FastFix Eccentric chuck for faster bit changes and improved accuracy. This innovative chuck lets you swap router bits quickly without tools, saving valuable project time. Its eccentric design reduces bit runout for smoother, cleaner cuts and better edge control. Built for durability and precision, it's a must-have for serious woodworkers who demand efficiency and quality. When you want to elevate your routing game with professional results, the Festool FastFix is the tool that delivers. Get ready to dial in perfect meter saw angles with the Yiranok Angle Setup Block, a precision measuring tool that speeds up your setup process. This compact block slides quickly into place and provides clear, accurate angle readings every time. Its sturdy aluminum construction means it won't warp or wear down, maintaining accuracy for years. Whether you're framing, trim work, or cabinetry, this tool eliminates the hassle of guesswork. Save time, reduce mistakes, and make every cut count with this handy angle setup block. Maximize your workspace with the Stanley FMHT81528 one-folding workbench, the perfect blend of strength and portability. Supporting up to 100 kilograms, this 90 by 45 centimeters bench folds flat for easy wall mounting and storage. Its durable surface and built-in holes let you hang tools or clamp workpieces securely. Ideal for small shops or garages, it frees up floor space without sacrificing stability. When you need a reliable work surface that's quick to set up and pack away, Stanley's folding bench has your back. Get professional-looking edges fast with the Saker chamfer plane, designed for smooth corner flattening and bevel trimming. It comes with 6 extra cutter heads to keep you cutting sharp without interruption. The handy auxiliary locator guides your planing for consistent, even chamfers every time. Whether finishing furniture edges or prepping joints, this lightweight plane fits comfortably in your hand and glides smoothly. Upgrade your edge game and add precision flair to your woodworking projects with this essential chamfer tool. Transform your angle grinder into a powerful jointer with the Wolfcraft Multi-Wood Jointer attachment. This innovative tool lets you create perfectly flat, straight edges on boards without bulky machines. It's easy to attach and adjust, making it ideal for workshop or job site use. The Wolfcraft jointer saves time and effort by turning rough lumber into ready-to-use material quickly. Woodworkers looking for precision and versatility will love how this attachment expands their grinder's capabilities. Hold your workpieces steady with the Festool lever clamp, engineered for quick locking and reliable grip. This clamp fits perfectly on Festool's MFT tables, but works anywhere you need firm pressure. Its lever mechanism makes tightening and releasing fast and easy, speeding up your workflow. Built with robust materials, it provides consistent clamping force for precise cuts and assembly. When you want dependable holding power that saves time, this Festool lever clamp is a smart choice. The Wolfcraft Universal Wedge is a simple but brilliant 2-in-1 tool that stabilizes and spaces your workpieces with ease. Use it as a wedge to level cabinets or furniture or as a spacer to maintain consistent gaps. Made of durable plastic, it won't damage wood surfaces and offers excellent grip. Perfect for fine-tuning installations or clamping setups, this multi-function wedge is a small tool that makes a big difference in accuracy and convenience during woodworking or assembly tasks. Install drawers like a pro with the Milescraft 1341 drawer jig, designed to simplify drawer slide positioning and alignment. Its reversible design fits most drawer sizes and slide types, while easy-aligned tabs and fences keep everything perfectly square. The non-marring rubber pads protect your cabinetry during installation, ensuring a scratch-free finish. Whether you're building new drawers or replacing hardware, this jig helps you get smooth operation and professional results every time without hassle. Fast-track your cabinet door installation with the Craig Cabinet Door Mounting Jig, built to make hinge placement effortless and exact. This jig guides your drill for perfect hinge holes every time, eliminating guesswork and re-drilling. Its sturdy frame fits most cabinet doors and frames, speeding up assembly for kitchen, bathroom, or storage projects. Whether you're a DIYer or pro, this tool ensures consistent, professional-looking cabinetry that's aligned and functional from day one. Measure with confidence and style using the Woodpecker's Paolini pocket rules, precision-crafted rulers perfect for layout and marking. Their compact size fits in your pocket, yet they offer clear, laser-etched scales for accuracy and durability. Made of stainless steel, these pocket rules resist wear and corrosion, keeping measurements precise over time. Whether marking joinery or checking dimensions, this elegant tool combines function and craftsmanship in one handy package. The Alway Original Handy Saw is a classic cutting tool that every woodworker needs in their arsenal. Its ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, while the hardened steel blade cuts through wood and plastics with ease. Perfect for quick cuts and detail work, this saw is lightweight and easy to control. Whether trimming dowels or slicing small boards, the Alway Handy Saw delivers clean, precise cuts without the bulk of larger saws. Upgrade your woodworking with the Skill RT132301 router table, designed for stability and precision. Its sturdy frame supports your router securely, while the large work surface provides ample space for maneuvering boards. Adjustable fences and a clear insert plate give you control over routing depth and accuracy. Perfect for shaping edges, cutting grooves, and joinery, this router table is a solid foundation for taking your routing projects to the next level. Finish your edges flawlessly with the Comatic PD80 Edge Band Trimmer, a powerful tool designed to trim excess edge banding quickly and cleanly. Its ergonomic grip and sharp cutter let you glide along edges with smooth, consistent results. Whether working on cabinetry or furniture, this trimmer removes glue lines and overhangs with professional precision. Durable and easy to control, the PD80 helps you achieve that factory finish look in your own workshop. Make hinge installation simple and precise with the Vaco aluminum alloy hinge jig. Crafted from lightweight but durable aluminum, this jig guides your drill for perfectly aligned hinge mortises every time. It fits most door types and hinge sizes, speeding up installation and reducing errors. Whether hanging cabinet or door hinges, this tool saves time and improves accuracy, making it an essential for any woodworking or renovation project. Drive pocket holes like a pro with the Craig 90-degree pocket hole driver, engineered for optimal torque and easy access in tight spots. Its 90-degree angled head lets you reach corners and edges without awkward positioning, while the ergonomic handle provides comfortable grip for extended use. Compatible with all Craig systems, this driver speeds up assembly and guarantees strong, clean joints. For anyone serious about pocket hole joinery, this driver is a workshop essential. Smooth out curves and tricky surfaces with all-way contour scrapers, perfect for fine-tuning contours and removing imperfections. These scrapers come in a set of different shapes, allowing you to tackle concave and convex surfaces with ease. Their sharp, durable blades give you control over material removal, producing a silky finish without sanding dust. Whether restoring furniture or shaping wood, these contour scrapers help you add that final professional touch. Drill with precision every time using the Bridge City Tools DJ3 Universal Drilling Jig, designed to simplify angled and straight drilling. This premium jig offers adjustable guides and stops for repeatable hole placement, ideal for cabinetry and joinery projects. Made from high-quality materials, it combines durability with smooth operation. If you want to elevate your drilling accuracy and confidence, the DJ3 jig is a workshop upgrade that pays off in every project. Keep your sandpaper organized and easy to find with the Rockler sandpaper storage system, designed to store multiple discs neatly in one place. This rack holds 5 sandpaper discs securely while protecting them from damage and curl. Its compact design fits easily in your workspace, saving time searching for the right grit. Whether you're sanding fine finishes or rough shaping, this system helps keep your abrasives ready and your workshop clutter-free. Finally, we have the incredibly precise Swan tool group, Falcon Depth Stop, which completely takes the guesswork out of your critical drilling operations. Unlike traditional stops that can slip or burn your workpiece, the Falcon features a smooth, free-spinning bearing that stops cleanly upon contact. Its micro-adjustable barrel allows you to dial in your exact plunge depth down to the millimeter with absolute confidence, ensuring perfectly uniform holes every single time. The high-quality clamp securely grips around your drill bit without damaging the flutes, providing a rock-solid hold during highly repetitive tasks. Whether you are drilling for shelf pins or setting hardware, this little accessory guarantees flawless depth control and protects your projects from accidental over-drilling. That's a wrap on these awesome woodpeckers tools. Hit like, subscribe for more cool tools, and drop a comment with your favorite. See you in the next one. Stay sharp and keep building.